Hi guys, this is Katie Bolin here. I'm here to explain to you how to use a protractor and how to measure angles. So I was not able to get my hand on a tangible one at the time, so I'm using one that I found on my phone and just showing you how to use it from here. It's very similar to the protractor that you use at school or any of the other or anywhere else that you would use a protractor. So I'm just using the one that I found on my phone. To start out with, I'm going to show you how to actually use the protractor and what this protractor means. So the center, this plus sign right here, that is where you're going to put your vertex when you're measuring an angle. So your center of your vertex is going to go here. The numbers on here is how you're going to measure it. If your angle opens up to the right, you're going to go measure the on the right. If your angle opens up to the or on the outer numbers, if your angle opens up to the left, you're going to use the ones that are in the inner numbers. So I'm going to take my protractor and I'm going to take and measure it in the acute angle. So I'm going to put my plus sign on that vertex again, and I'm going to put it out on to your vertex, and you are going to measure it with the numbers that are on the outer side. So looking at this angle, it looks as if it is 30 degrees because it is lining up with this number right here. So this angle for my acute angle is a 30-degree angle, which is a multiple of 5. So my angle right here is 30 degrees. Okay. Now moving on to your obtuse angle. Remember, your obtuse angle is larger than 90 degrees. So I'm going to put my plus sign on that vertex again, and I'm going to look at the larger outer numbers to see where this angle lies. And it looks like it is lying at 120 degrees. So my angle for my obtuse angle is 120 degrees, which is an even number, making sure that your obtuse angle is your even number. So I have figured out how to measure my acute angle, and I've also figured out how to measure my obtuse angle. So now I need to come up with an angle that is a prime number. So I chose to do 11 as my prime number. So I'm going to make an angle that is 11 degrees. So I need to start out with making my vertex at the center, which is at my plus sign, and then making a line to be able to measure with. So my bottom line is where I'm going to lie my protractor on, and then I need to make this degrees 11 degrees. So it would be at this line, let's see, this line right here. So I need to make my angle 11 degrees. So I'm just going to connect it to this line right here. So this area right here is 11 degrees. So that is my prime number angle, making it 11 degrees. So once again, whenever you are measuring with a protractor, you put your vertex at the center of your protractor, and you use the outer numbers or inner numbers depending on the way your angle is opening to measure with your protractor. Okay, so I hope this was I hope you found this very beneficial. I hope I explained it well enough for you to understand, and I can't wait to see some of your other videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.